Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. Vivo has started teasing its next flagship phone, the X50. A video posted to Weibo shows off the camera module, which includes a periscope telescope, two normal looking lenses and one much larger module that is presumably for the primary camera. The lens rotates as the module is manipulated by a robotic gimbal, suggesting the key feature here is image stabilization. One of the big inclusion in Vivo's Apex 2020 concept phone was gimbal-like stabilization on a 48-megapixel camera. Vivo said the design is 200% more effective than typical OIS, allowing for longer nighttime exposure and smoother video. Now a phone is actually coming with some of these features in real life. Here comes the Vivo X50 Pro, powered by a Samsung lens. Yes, Samsung just recently announced its brand new flagship camera sensor, the GN1, with 50-megapixel resolution, ultra-fast autofocus, and it's Samsung's biggest sensor up to date, even bigger than the one inside the Galaxy S20 Ultra. As much as I want to see this on the Galaxy Note 20 Plus, this is going inside the Vivo X50 Pro. But what's truly mind-blowing here is that Vivo has built on their own the world's first gimbal smartphone camera system. Honestly, it's just mind-blowing. They actually spent months on this, and it's so complicated I'm not gonna go into a lot of detail, but pretty much this system is said to be 300 times more effective than your traditional optical image stabilization. And it's so complicated that this whole camera kit actually takes 3 times the space of that of the Galaxy S20 Ultra, and honestly the results are looking pretty damn good. They flexed this in their concept and now it's a reality. The great thing about this gimbal camera system is that it's all in hardware, so you can actually get this kind of performance in any video recording mode, whether it's 4K or 8K or 1080p. Samsung has a super steady mode, but that is actually utilizing software a lot, so it only works in 1080p mode. This on the other hand could work with the highest video quality setting. In addition to Samsung's GN1, the camera setup is also rocking customized Sony sensors with a periscope zoom camera setup that could provide to 5 to 7x optical zoom, and it's also got a pretty unique look. We could expect to see Snapdragon 865 on the Pro model and Snapdragon 768 on the non-Pro model. Both phones are set to rock 5G and massive batteries. As for the release date, the Vivo X50 family will get officially announced on June the 1st, so it's about 9 to 10 days away from the official announcement. Well, I am really excited for this new phone. On a different topic, popular Samsung insider Ice Universe has delivered the first renders of the Galaxy Note 20, and they are significantly different from the educated guesses we have had to rely on until now. Moreover, not everyone will be pleased at what they see. While Ice Universe warns users to ignore the bezel size in this preview, what it does show is Samsung will make the entry-level Note 20 almost identical to the entry-level Galaxy S20. On the front, this means the same flat display and centered hole punch camera, and on the back a matching vertical triple camera array. That being said, the bigger changes will come with the Galaxy Note 20 Plus, with Ice also revealing that it will have an upgraded version of the Galaxy S20 Ultra's 108-megapixel camera with a new sensor to assist in focusing and completely solve the focusing problem. This would be a big deal for the Galaxy Note 20 Plus and yet another step up compared to the Galaxy S20 lineup, given it already includes superior biometrics, a vastly more efficient display, faster storage, and Samsung's primary focus, a major S Pen upgrade. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more update. Till the next time.